Hello everyone, Michelle Harvey here, also known as Hippie Oil Chick, coming at you with my monthly video, which is entitled What's in My Monthly Wellness Box. This is January. Well, actually, this is the video. It's February, but I'm finally getting around to doing my video for my January orders. So let's go ahead and get started. Wipes, 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 wipes. Wipes. Okay, Seedlings Wipes. I got the 6-pack. The Seedlings Wipes are fantastic. They're non-toxic, they're non-drying, they're super moisturizing, very thick, very robust. One wipe usually gets like 95% of the jobs done. My child is a pooper because he's an eater. So we go through the wipes. But they still last quite a while, and we have them all over the house because we use them for pretty much everything. Oh, hi Lucky. Lucky's making a cameo. So yeah, the wipes, I highly recommend them. A lot of women actually use them to clean their makeup brushes. They'll use them to do a quick makeup removal. I don't wear very much makeup these days. I've heard them being used as dryer sheets. Throw one of them in the dryer. They smell excellent. They have a wonderful, wonderful smell. I keep one underneath my stroller, pretty much one in the laundry room, one everywhere. That's why we order them. We actually don't go through them as quickly. It's just that we use them for so many purposes. So excellent there. Then we have Dentarome Ultra. Dentarome Ultra. This is our favorite toothpaste by Young Living. Quit showing your butt off. Nobody wants to see your butt. Okay. I love this toothpaste. This is, to me, for a long time I used the Aroma Bright, which is more cinnamony. But this is, I feel like it gets my mouth even cleaner. And what I like to do is I like to add a drop of Thieves Vitality to my toothbrush on top of this toothpaste. So it's very, very, I feel like my mouth feels very, very clean with this toothpaste, and it's fluoride free. Awesome, awesome. Okay, cleaner. Literally, this is okay, so I've been a member of Young Living for over 4 years now. This is the first time, besides the first time I purchased the cleaner, that I've had to reorder it in 4 years. Not because my other bottle lasted me that long, but because there have been so many promos where they have given us a bottle of this for free, but also because it lasts so long, because you use it by the capful. It'll actually give you the recommended dilutions. I like to add this to my laundry. I like to mop with it. It is a one-stop shop for cleaners. So this is literally the second bottle I have ever purchased in over 4 years of being a member, because Young Living is so generous. Love, love, love my company. Thieves cough drops, these came back in stock. So I went ahead and ordered them. We already had the lozenges. The lozenges are more of a Thieves flavor, and they're good for all purpose, just soothing of the throat, sore throat. I've actually had people tell me it kind of helps them whenever they've got some allergies going around. But the cough drops have peppermint. They have more menthol in them. So to me, the cough drops work better for that deeper, throatier cough. And my husband loves, loves, loves these cough drops. And he was having a cough for a while. So good to restock on these. Hey, Carla. We got multigreens for free. This is one of my point redemption. I redeemed some points. Sorry, you're not able to really see with all the light coming in, but multigreens is one of my favorite supplements from Young Living. Not because I don't eat my vegetables. I do eat vegetables, but this has those greens and those ingredients that I don't tend to get because I don't eat the crazy vegetables. So it's got bee pollen, barley, spirulina, choline, your eleuthero root, alfalfa, kelp, all that jazz that seriously I'm not eating. I'm just not that good. So I'm not that crunchy. I'm very crunchy, but not that crunchy. So I love, love, love the multigreens. You're supposed to take 6 a day. I take 3 a day. That's it. So I can stretch it and make it last a little longer, and my husband can take some too. That way I feel like 3 is better than nothing. So do you feel energy from the green vitamins? I don't feel energy from them. I just feel like I'm getting more nutrients. I'm getting more nutrition. I feel, because I do this and Nisha Red, it's really kind of hard for me to tell where I get my energy boost from, and I do nitro, so I feel like it's like the combination of all of what I do. But I don't, to be honest, I don't notice a distinct difference from this. I just know that it's doing my body good because of the ingredients. Good question. Speaking of nitro, another free item from Point Redemption. Almost every single time I rack up points, I get at least 1 box of free nitro because I'm gonna use it. This is my source of caffeine, green tea extract, Korean ginseng, choline, mulberry leaf extract, essential oils. Really, really good for kind of keeping that pep in my step as I'm getting less sleep at night. Then we have some oils here also that I redeemed points on and got for free. And let's see here, lemon and lavender. You guys know those are staples. You can do a million things with lavender. One of my favorite, lemon. One of my favorite uses for it is helping to remove the sticky stuff that won't come off the stickers whenever it leaves a residue. I love using the lemon vitality in some Thieves water with honey. There's so much you can do with lemon, and it's just kind of a perky oil. And then of course lavender is kind of the opposite end of the spectrum, whereas lemon will perk you up. Lavender is more of a calmant, and I've been using a lot of it in diffusers to just kind of help me and baby get more restful sleep. So I've been using a lot of lavender. Super mild, super calming. It mixes really well with vetiver. That's one of my favorite combinations, is lavender and vetiver. It's in my anti-psycho chick roll-on. Free Digize for ordering over 100 PV. Digize is also another staple that comes in the starter kit, as do lemon and lavender. Digize Vitality is really good taking internally for all things digestion. Okay, so all the way from here to the other end. So pretty much anything you can think of, you can use Digize to support your healthy digestion. It's got all of these kind of smelly oils in it, like ginger, anise, fennel. So it's not my favorite smelling, but it works. It's very herby. Okay, and then last but not least, I got these because they were such a deal. I love Northern Lights. I love all the spruces, and they were having these kits on sale for 18 bucks. Northern Lights Black Spruce alone is like a $26 oil, and they were selling these kits for I want to say 18, including the oil. And it comes with these little diffuser reed sticks in this pretty little glass bottle. So you can basically steep these little sticks in the oil and stick them in wreaths, in your Christmas trees. You can hide them in dresser drawers. You don't have to use spruce. You can use other oils that you already have around the house. I personally am a tree oil fanatic. Someone just sent me a little sample of, thank you Carol, of white fir, which is an oil we no longer carry, and I'm like huffing it. I love white fir. Balsam fir, I can't wait for it to come back in stock. Blue spruce, my husband lives off spruce, y'all know all about that. So I went ahead and snagged 2 of those. So that's it for my What's in My January Wellness box, and I'm actually gonna order my February already because I'm already running out of some other stuff, so I'll come at you guys again. Y'all know, if you're already members, get on there and order some stuff. Get on Essential Rewards. It is the cheapest way to get your products because you get all the points. If you're not a member and you're looking for somebody to join under, I would be happy to support you. I'm still working. So my number is 215-3009, and my organization is called Happily Oily After. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching. I know it's getting a little bit harder for me to do these videos, but I still want to make sure that you guys get some really good education because our products are off the chain. Love y'all. Have an excellent afternoon.